Hi, today we will learn how to be a good social media manager. So in order for you to be a social media manager, you have to first be using a lot of social media yourself. We will discuss today, as of December 2011, that what are the common social media products today. So today the common social media products are Facebook, YouTube, um, LinkedIn, and Twitter. So in order for you to be great at these services, or to be, if you want to manage somebody's product, you need to be not just using it, but actually using it a lot. So once you are yourself a good user, you can actually guide other people how to, or manage their products for them. So in my particular opinion, you should have at least 2,000 friends on Facebook, 2,000 friends on LinkedIn, and at least should be following the right people on Twitter for you to get the right feed so you can grow yourself. Now, in order to be greater than someone, for example, you want to be somebody like Sid Godin or Guy Kawasaki. So you have to be first, you should be able to make them your mentor. So what you can do is you can start following them on Facebook, you can start following them on Twitter, you can try to follow them on LinkedIn, and watch their YouTube. You should put their names on Google Alerts, so whenever they do something, you actually get to know about it. You become the first person to know about these people, and then you start following in their footsteps, and then you become like them. What I'll do also is I'll create another 500 friend list of you with the people who are into internet marketing, and you see them on rehantraining.com under the social media training section, and you will be able to follow these people and subscribe to these people and learn a lot of things from them, because social media is constantly changing. 2 months ago, Facebook announced timeline, and today, from next week, it will be implemented. Everyone will have to relearn how to use Facebook, how to use timelines. Since morning, I have received 2 messages asking for people how to use message you on the new Facebook page. So it's really complicated, and it's constant learning for us as marketeers, as people who want to stay on top of things, and the people who want to manage other people's profiles and pages. So this is an overview of what you should be doing, and this is the mindset of what you should have in order to be a good social media manager. What is a social media manager? A social media manager is a person who manages social media content of a company for that company for them. So you can manage their pages, you can manage their YouTube channel, you can manage their Twitter IDs, you can manage their LinkedIn section, you can manage their groups on Facebook. So we will discuss further in further videos on, for example, how your LinkedIn profile should look like, how your Facebook profile should look like, how to make a page on Facebook, how to engage people on your Facebook page, and how to engage people on your Facebook profile. These are the next videos which I'll prepare for you, and you can watch them and you can learn from them. And if there's anything missing, you let me know, and I will definitely add a new version of this video. My name is Rehan Al-Lawala. You can watch me on rehantraining.com related to trainings, and you can learn more about me on rehan.com. Do like me on the Facebook by going to fb.com/rehan Al-Lawala. That would be great.